Carlton,
Yes, Chanda.
today I want to make for you dry vegetable and dry vegetable with peanut butter. So how do I say in Shona?
You mean you want to cook for me dried vegetables with peanut butter?
Yes, I want to cook for you dry vegetable and with peanut butter.
All right. So how do you say it in Shona, right?
Yes, I want.
You said nasi
Nasi
dinoda
dinoda
da
da
da.
da
Say da de di do do.
da de di do do
Not da. It's da.
da
Dinoda
dinoda
kubika
kubika
mufushwa
mafusha
mufushwa
mafushwa
shwa
shwa
mufushwa.
mafushwa
Not mafushwa, mufushwa.
mufushwa
Yes.
mafushwa.
Yes. So you say nasi
Nasi
dinoda kubika mufushwa
mufushwa
une dovi. Une dovi. You said with peanut butter, right? So you say une dovi. Do.
That's what I'm doing.
You're saying dovi.
Dovi.
Yeah,
Mufushwa
une dovi.
Mufushwa une dovi.
Mufushwa
une
dovi. It's okay. So I say
nasi kukubira.
You want to say kukubikira? That one is difficult. You just say nasi dinoda.
Okay,
kubika.
nasi dinoda
kubika.
Nasi dinoda.
Yes.
Nasi
dinoda
kubika mufushwa
fa fe fi fo fu
mufushwa
yes.
na de dovi.
Une dovi. Yes, good.